I have tried sock curls, but now it's finally time to try robe curls. I'm expecting the results to be pretty similar, but perhaps my curls will be more looser and kind of wavier rather than super ringlety and curly. Also, in the sock curl video, when I took the socks out, my curls looked so perfect that I did not want to brush my hair out. But I see a lot of people do that in the TikToks, and I feel like it adds to the look. So I'm going to try and do that today, but it's really hard for me to do that. I'm just really scared that when I brush it out, I'll lose all the definition because, I don't know, I feel like when people brush their wavy or curly hair, when they curl it or make it wavy, it looks so good. But when I do it, it does not look like that. Anyway, let's rewind to last night right before bed. So last night I washed my hair and I let it air dry, and right before I went to sleep, when my hair was about 90% dry, I did my hair. First I parted my hair and I brushed it out, and then I clipped the robe at the top of my head so it stays there, because I feel like otherwise I would have been battling with the robe if I didn't clip it in place. And I then started to wrap the hair around the robe and kept grabbing small sections to add to the piece of hair that I was wrapping around. I tried to do it tight, but honestly it isn't that tight, which is probably better for me because of my fine hair, and I usually feel uncomfortable sleeping when I do stuff like this to my hair anyway. Last night I washed my hair with the Naughty shampoo. Now I chose this shampoo because this week I have been using a lot of oils in my hair throughout the week, a lot of serums, so I wanted to give my hair a good cleanse, but I wasn't due a clarify, so that's why I chose the Naughty shampoo. To condition, I used the Jessie Curl shampoo just because it's really runny, really watery, really lightweight. And then for leave-in, I used the Curly Secret Curl Reviving leave-in. This contains a little bit of protein, so I thought that would help add tiniest bit of hold to my hair. At the end, I then tied a scrunchie and I moved on to the other side and did the same again on that side. I honestly was seriously debating adding gel or something, because without, I don't think it will hold very well, but I think I'll just spray it with some hairspray tomorrow, or should I say today, when I take it down. I then tied the other side, and it was only at this point did I realize that my scrunchies were two different colors, which really bugged me. I really thought that I had grabbed my two lilac ones. We're just out here going blind. We need glasses. We need new glasses. I did see people on TikTok putting their robe in cute buns somehow, so I did want to do that, but I couldn't do that. I just didn't know how to do it. I just tied the two ends at the top of my head loosely, and then I put my bonnet on to protect my hair from frizz while I sleep, although I am sleeping on a silk pillowcase too. It is now the next day, obviously. It has been about 11 hours since I put these in. I think my hair is dry. You can never be too sure with my hair. I did kind of blast it with my diffuser just in case to make sure. Hopefully it's dry. As for frizz, I would say we're doing quite well in the frizz department. The bonnet definitely helped. At first, I was a bit worried when I got into bed that it wasn't going to be comfortable to sleep in, and it did take me a little while to find a comfortable position, but actually I did sleep quite well. I'm pleased about that. There's no headache today, which is always a good thing. I don't know what's going on here. Oh, did we miss a strand? Okay, so I think I've like forced one strand of hair to be completely straight. I see everybody in the TikToks take their hair out like this. Mine won't do that. Oh my god. gosh, this looks cute. Oh, I don't want to brush it. Okay, let's fluff. Oh my god. Oh my god, I love it. I don't even think I need to brush it. I think it looks nice like this. Oh, this is giving me, I'm not good with the ears, but this is giving me like, I don't know, 80s big hair vibes. I just hope it looks good from the back. I think it does. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so in love. I am absolutely in love with how my hair turned out today. I think I prefer this to the sock curls. I feel like the sock curls kind of were too ringlety and too short, but this kind of like, I don't know, looks like my hair looks very carefree and just, I don't know, romantic, and it's giving me all the good vibes. I love it. I will definitely be doing this more often whenever I want a break from styling my hair, but I still kind of want wavy hair. This was really fun to have a break from styling my hair and just do something different to it for a change. I will maybe check back in either later tonight or tomorrow morning and show you how well it's held up. But yeah, I haven't sprayed it with hairspray or anything because I couldn't find any. Let me know in the comments if you've given this a go yet and how did it work for you? How did it turn out? Let me know if you will try it. And if you would like to see the difference between me raking my hair versus me using a brush to style my waves, then make sure to check out this video and I will see you next time. Bye!